If you're recently married and planning not to have a child for a while, or if you just had one and want a break now, or if you are an unmarried couple and want to stay safe and do not want a pregnancy immediately and want to have some long-term plan, then IUDs are the best option because they are long-lasting, they are effective, they come in a very normal expense, and they are very safe. So in this video I'll talk about two types of IUDs and how what is the procedure, how different are they, how safe are they, and side effects if any. All these questions would be answered in this video, so please do watch the video till the end. Hello and welcome to Tots and Moms. My name is Kavita, and in today's video we are talking about IUD, intrauterine contraceptive device. They come in two variants. Now both of them are of a T shape or something like this, and they are made of soft plastic, malleable plastic, and there is a small string attached to it. Now inside our uterus goes this T shape, gets locked there, and the string is left in the vagina. This is 99% effective, and across the world people swear by this because this is long lasting. 5 years or more a person can use this. And I mean, instead of worrying if I had did I take the pill yesterday or not, what if I forget it, and if your partner hasn't used the condom safely and what to do that day, this is the best safe option. Unfortunately in India it is not very famous. There was an occurrence that happened in India by an American seller who gave a very cheap quality product, and there were so many lapses. Since then government hasn't promoted it much, but let's start using it because this is one of the safest, healthiest and effective method. Types of IUDs, the most famous and common one is copper T. This is a T-shaped device again with copper wire rolled around it on both the sides. This copper T releases copper ions inside the uterine area, acting as a spermicide and prevents fertilization. So in simple words, this blocks the uterus, and hence the sperms cannot enter to get fertilized. This has a life from 5 to 10 years, depends on the brand. Let's talk about few side effects while using copper T. That would be excessive bleeding and excessive menstrual cramps. And even doctors say that this is only for a short duration, for 3 to 6 months, and later it normalizes. So you do not have to hesitate to use it. Unfortunately, you will find women promoting against it who have had bad experiences. I would say you talk to them and you recommend them to talk to their gynec and understand what went wrong. Wasn't it a good brand, or wasn't it suitable for their body? So there are very less chances that women don't adapt to it. Otherwise, why would it still be here, right? Why would still women across the world, across India use it, right? The second and most famous worldwide, but not in India yet, it is highly picking up the pace, is hormonal IUDs. Now these are again a T-shaped one, but these are medicated and hormonal. It releases a hormone inside uterus by name progestin. This thickens the cervical mucus. So there is a block created here, and the sperm cannot enter the uterus, and there is no chance of fertilization. This is also effective for 5 long years, and on a I would say a slight drawback is that it is on an expensive side. Starts from 5 to 8,000 and even expensive ones are there, but I would say it is cheaper than having a baby and cheaper than letting your body go through abortion and other concerns, right? And the best part now, some of them feel it is not right, but it is of no issue at all. You wouldn't have periods while you have it, okay? But slight spotting is observed in few women, and few of them have light bleeding as well. But this is coming with very less side effects, like if you were experiencing cramps or nausea during your periods, that is what you would feel here. In comparison to copper T, the side effects are few. Let's talk about the time and process of insertion. Right after your menstrual cycle, you can get it inserted. Please talk to your doctor prior, because some of them say during menstrual cycle it is good because your cervix is dilated. It is a 5-minute process using an insertion rod. Doctor will insert this 1.5 inch of a device, which can be done in an OPD. You don't even have to get admitted, but please ensure that you talk to your doctor, understand if it is suitable. Now this, while inserting, is just a small stick inserted in the rod, and then when it goes inside your uterus, it opens up horizontally like a T-shaped one, and the string is left inside your vagina, and it is not very painful, but you may feel a slight pain and cramps after insertion. You can do your routine work, you can go back to office or your home and continue to do things, but doctor would advise you to be little careful in the initial days, because you may see some spotting as well, and meet doctor after a month or so. And whenever you feel that it's time to get pregnant, you can get it removed. There is no waiting period as such. You can start planning your baby immediately. We get regular questions on our blog and our YouTube channel on IUD, copper T. That's why we made this video. And few regular questions that come in are who shouldn't offer IUD? One who has abnormal bleeding, like periods are not regular, or one who has cervical or uterus cancer, one who has AIDS, or one who is pregnant shouldn't be using IUD. After birth, when can you get this IUD? During your birth plan, you can discuss this with your doctor. Immediately after delivery, you can get it inserted. Let doctor be the judge. Can I use menstrual cup with IUD? I have made a video on menstrual cup. The link would be in the description box. Please check that. It is a blessing, I would say, and every woman is so happy using it. But while you have copper T inserted, you know that there are strings left in your vagina. What if it comes out? Yes, there are chances that it gets dislodged, but you need to be very careful. Doctors recommend still going ahead and using this amazing product, which can help you stay comfortable and stay hygienic during periods. But okay, menstrual cup is inserted in your vagina, and there is an airlock or a suction created while it is inside your body. So you don't have to press it hard and pull it down. That time when you press the cup here, there are chances that along with the cup, the string also get pulled down. So what I would say is, or doctors recommend is, pinch at the bottom of the cup and remove the suction or the airlock, and then slowly bring it down. And another advice is to buy a smaller size, shorter menstrual cup than whatever your cervix length is. So these two things, if you take care of, there is nothing to hesitate about. And the last question is, how can I check if my copper T or IUD is in place or not? Now, even while using menstrual cup, if you pull it down and you don't know, please watch for it. Please check your pads, or a simple way is to put your 2 fingers in the vagina and test it. Do not do it often. There are chances of getting infection. Last but not the least, please remember that this does not avoid STDs. Sexually transmitted diseases can still happen, and for this you need to tell your partner to use condoms. So these are certain details that I feel is necessary to know. Anything more than this, your doctor will be the best person to answer you. So please check with them. And on this channel, I make regular videos for women, children in special. So consider following our channel, and I have 2 video recommendation. One is sex post delivery. How safe is it, when can we start, etc. are answered in that video. Do check. And is it safe to give ghutti to babies? Vasambu, Suttukhara are the other names in which it is used. In North India, ghutti is the common one. So is it safe? What age can we start? All that question will be answered in that video. And I own Tots and Moms Baby Foods, an organic USDA certified food store. Our products are available on Amazon, Flipkart and FirstCry. So do check that. A range of cereal, porridges, instant mixes which are absolutely chemical free, sugar and salt free, and definitely all the certification process being followed. Our brand is a hit amongst parents. So word of mouth, we have been able to survive for 7 years and grow to a place where we can compete with some international brands as well today. So I am really thankful for parents who understand the importance of feeding healthy for a healthy next generation. So please join us in that commitment. And yes, the details about the product would also be there in the description. You want to talk to our customer support, please, the number would also be there. You can reach out anytime. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you soon in yet another one. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.